What's going on? And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to I'm going to be showing you guys how to tighten up or loosen a bike chain. And see, as you see, mine's pretty loose, and I'm going to be showing you how to loosen it. You want it about maybe to wiggle about that much. Mine wiggles more than that. So what you're going to need to do, so you see right here, you got a bolt, and you're gonna try to find what wrench fits on the bolt. So let's go try to find one. Let's see. Okay, maybe 9/16, probably. Most of them are probably gonna be like 16 millimeters, something like that. Let's see if it fits. You see, fits just perfectly. So what you're gonna want to do from this point is you're actually gonna want to loosen it. You want to put your legs around it and loosen it. I'll be right back. Someone's coming. I don't want to embarrass myself. Sorry for the wait. I don't want to embarrass myself. Let me see if they're going. Okay, they're back in their garage. So what you're gonna want to do is you're actually gonna put it on and loosen it. Wrong side. Put it on. Loosen it. Might be a little difficult if you don't have two people. So I try to get a friend to help. Right now my family's in the... There you go. So you're gonna want to you only want to loosen this side. This side, it doesn't affect what you need. So you loosen it. So you're gonna want to loosen it. As you see, my chain is getting loose. So the more you loosen it, you want to basically get it till your tire is a little wriggly. Okay, you want it to then get a little stiffer. Okay, because your bike is moving out more. So try to get it. So what you're gonna do? It's gonna do it some more. I don't know. Just keep on loosening it, and wait till you get to. Wait till you get to a point where it's pretty loose and you can move your tire. Sorry guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm back. And it's gonna move the bike more inside. So what you're gonna do, it's gonna want to loosen it. And also just remembered that you actually have to loosen the other side too. So loosen this till you can take it off like this. You don't want to take it off. Okay. And then you're gonna want to do the same to the other side. So you want to do the same to the other side, but when you do it, you don't want to loosen it too much. Like you don't want to take